Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off our presentation today. We'll be exploring some fascinating dinosaurs, starting with the impressive Stegosaurus. The title of our talk is The Amazing World of Dinosaurs, and today we'll cover key facts about this remarkable creature. We'll look at its size, period, and unique features, giving you a glimpse into its prehistoric life. So let's dive in and discover what makes the Stegosaurus so special. Let's take a closer look at Shantungosaurus, which is pronounced Shantungosaurus. This fascinating dinosaur was a flat-headed herbivore, meaning it mainly ate plants. Its name actually translates to shantung lizard, highlighting its geographic origin. One of the most distinctive features of Shantungosaurus is its extended jaw, which it used to hold many teeth, an adaptation that likely helped it process large amounts of vegetation efficiently. This species lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 70 to 66 million years ago. It was one of the largest duck-billed dinosaurs, reaching about 49 feet or 15 meters in length. That's roughly the size of a modern bus. Geographically, fossils of Shantungosaurus have been found in Asia, specifically in regions that were part of ancient Asia. Connecting this to our overall theme, Shantungosaurus exemplifies how herbivorous dinosaurs evolved specialized features, like its extended jaw, to thrive in their environments. Its impressive size also highlights the diversity and adaptability of duck-billed dinosaurs during the late Cretaceous. Let's take a closer look at Lesothosaurus. This tiny herbivore was quite lightly built, which made it agile and quick on its feet. One interesting detail is that its name, meaning Lesotho lizard, actually hints at some of its physical features, specifically its hollow bones. These hollow bones likely helped reduce weight, making it easier for the dinosaur to move efficiently. Lesothosaurus lived during the early Jurassic period, roughly around 200 million years ago. It was relatively small, measuring about 3.3 feet or 1 meter in length. That's about the height of a modern-day tall person. Geographically, fossils of Lesothosaurus have been found in Africa and South America, which highlights how continents were arranged differently back then. This tiny dinosaur gives us a glimpse into the early stages of herbivorous dinosaur evolution, and its lightweight build is a perfect example of how these creatures adapted to their environments. It's a small but significant piece of the broader story of dinosaur diversity and adaptation through time. Euoplocephalus, which you can pronounce as Euopiocephalus, was a broad-beaked herbivore, meaning it primarily ate plants. It was heavily armored, giving it a tough exterior to protect against predators. The name actually refers to its well-armored head, which had bony horns, plates, studs, and other defensive structures. This creature lived during the late Cretaceous period, roughly around 70 to 66 million years ago. It measured about 23 feet, or roughly 7 meters long, making it a sizable dinosaur. You would find Euoplocephalus in North America, and its armor was crucial for survival in its environment. If you look at the scale on the slide, you can get a sense of its size compared to a meter. This incredible armor and its specialized head features highlight how dinosaurs like Euoplocephalus evolved defenses to survive in a world full of predators. It's a fascinating example of how adaptation played a key role in the diversity of dinosaur species. Let's talk about Deinonychus, a fascinating predator from the early Cretaceous period. This creature was quite formidable, known for its deadly, terrible claw on its second toes, which was specially equipped for hunting and attacking prey. Imagine a predator with such a sharp, large claw. It really emphasizes its hunting prowess. Deinonychus was about 8 feet long, or roughly 2.5 meters, although some specimens may have been even larger. Geographically, it was found in North America, giving us insight into the kinds of predators that roamed there during that time. Overall, Deinonychus helps us understand the diversity and specialization of predatory dinosaurs during the Cretaceous period. Let's take a closer look at Coelophysis. This fascinating dinosaur was a predator that lived in large herds, which likely helped it hunt and stay safe. It's considered one of the oldest dinosaurs found in North America, dating back to the late Triassic period. One of the most interesting features of Coelophysis is its hollow form. Its limbs were hollow, a characteristic it shares with modern birds, suggesting a connection between these ancient creatures and birds we see today. In terms of size, Coelophysis was about 6 to 8 feet long, roughly 2 meters, making it a fairly agile and swift predator. It was primarily located in North America, giving us valuable insight into the distribution of early dinosaurs on this continent. Overall, Coelophysis helps us understand not only the diversity of early dinosaurs, but also their adaptations that contributed to their survival and evolution. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. Let's take a closer look at the Brachiosaurus. This massive herbivore is quite fascinating. Its name, which means arm lizard, actually refers to its distinctive long front limbs, giving it a tall, upright stance. One of the most notable features is its nostrils, which are positioned high above its eyes, quite different from many other dinosaurs. This species lived during the late Jurassic and early Cretaceous periods, making it one of the most prominent dinosaurs of that time. In terms of size, the Brachiosaurus could reach lengths of about 82 feet, or roughly 25 meters, and stand about 39 feet tall, which is approximately 12 meters. Geographically, fossils of this remarkable dinosaur have been found in Africa, Europe, and North America, showing just how widespread and successful it was. Overall, the Brachiosaurus exemplifies the incredible diversity of dinosaur life and highlights how some species evolved unique adaptations, like its towering height and nostril placement, to thrive in their environments. Allosaurus, which means other lizard, was a large and fearsome predator during its time. It had incredibly muscular jaws and long, serrated teeth that were perfect for tearing through flesh. This dinosaur measured between 25 to 35 feet, or roughly 7.5 to 10.5 meters in length, making it quite an imposing presence. Allosaurus lived during the late Jurassic period, about 150 million years ago. Its fossils have been found across North America, Africa, and Australia, showing that it had a wide geographic range. Overall, Allosaurus is a prime example of a top predator in its ecosystem, and understanding its features helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of prehistoric life. Velociraptor, pronounced Velociraptor, was a ferocious predator known for its agility and hunting skills. Its feet bore large sickle-shaped claws on its second toes, which were incredibly sharp and essential for capturing and killing prey. This dinosaur lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 75 to 71 million years ago. It was about 6 feet long, or roughly 1.8 meters, making it a formidable predator despite its relatively small size. Velociraptor fossils have been found in Asia, highlighting its geographical range. These key features, its sharp claws, agility, and hunting prowess, tie into the overall theme of understanding how dinosaurs adapted to their environments and evolved specialized tools for survival.